Hey guys, what's up? Good afternoon, rather. I've been busy cleaning all day long. It's like 3 in the afternoon right now. Took a lot of time to shoot some video, do some editing, all kinds of crazy stuff. So today I actually did an unboxing of the Astro USB TX. This is the bad boy right here. What's cool about this guy here is that this actually lets you use the Astro 850 without having to use a mix amp, which is cool. Kind of working out the kinks a little bit with it right now. I'm getting some feedback from the microphone for whatever reason. So as soon as I start like recording, it just like it starts to get staticky, and so I'm trying to figure out if it's a driver issue or if it's an incompatibility issue. I'm not too sure, but that video is going to be slightly delayed because I'm still trying to figure out why it's giving me all of that feedback. I actually did get a new GoPro accessory today. I figured out while I was doing some research online, and most people said that the frame, that's what they call it, is what most people use so that they can use the shtick. So that's what I'm using right now. I call it the shtick, but it's this guy is actually like a 3-in-1 tripod, which is pretty neat. And I actually used this device when I was recording the unboxing video, so you guys will get to see how good that looks. But without further ado, see all this stuff right here? This is all of the PC equipment that I am going to take apart and have fun with. I'm actually waiting on Mango to come over. He's going to look at everything with me here. We're gonna go through all the parts, make sure everything is laid out properly, see if we need anything extra. I don't think I do, but I haven't even opened up any of these boxes yet. I've had most of this stuff for like, I want to say 2 or 3 weeks now, and because I took time off, I didn't want to go through building the PC and you know, just not use it. So pretty much what I have here in all these boxes here, obviously the big one that I've got is the Corsair 600T mid tower. It's white and black, which looks awesome. I've got, of course, you guys have seen before, the GeForce GTX 770. I'm currently using one of them in my current build right now. I've also got a 256 gigabyte solid state drive I'm going to be using to run my operating system, and then I'll be using a 1 terabyte solid state hybrid drive, and that's going to hold all of my games and all of my recordings and stuff. And this big box right here, actually, this one in particular. This one is a the Corsair H100 liquid cooler. There's also a EVGA 1000 watt power supply, modular power supply, because I'm going to SLI these 2 graphics cards, so I'm going to need all the power I can get. And I already have my Asus the Sabertooth, the ZX, so pretty pumped. And oh, I'm sorry, and I also have 16 gigs Corsair Vengeance RAM, like it's really big, which is it's exciting. So but this blog video is actually going to be in multiple parts. It's gonna be one big video, but I'm actually going to set up the camera, and you guys are gonna see kind of like behind the scenes of what me and Mango are gonna be doing with building the PC. A forewarning, I don't have an ESD mat. I could not find one. I went to Fry's a few days ago, and I figured they would have it, but they didn't have any. They had ESD mats, but they were way too large, and I didn't really have the money to buy a really, like, I don't need like a 50 foot. I don't need 50 feet worth of ESD matting. Like, that's ridiculous. That's like my car. It's like carpeting my house with it. You know, I would have bought it and then cut it up, but then, you know, how many times am I going to get a chance to do stuff like this? Then again, me personally, I would like to have something like that just in case I need to take the machine apart. I got to replace parts, whatever happens. But I have a solid wood countertop, or it's like fake, well, it's wood. It's not. It looks like granite. I guess it's fake, but I'm going to be pretty much doing the majority of the build here because it's like waist height, and then I have another desk that's solid wood that I'm going to use just to kind of place stuff on. But most of the parts have, at least the components, they have ESD mats. Oh, not ESD. God damn it. ESD bags. So they'll pretty much everything's going to stay in the bags until we need them. And I have I'm pretty sure I have grounding wrist straps, but I think we'll be okay. I mean, my house is covered in carpet. Well, at least my most of it is carpet. So we really don't want to build a PC on a carpet because, of course, we all know that if I dare build a computer on the internet and people see me doing it on the carpet, it'll, pretty much I'll never hear the end of it. So I am going to. I don't even know what I'm going to do right now. Oh, I got to finish downloading the ISO image for Windows 7. So I had to buy it and get that configured on one of my hard drives and get ready to get that installed on the internal drive. I would like to have all of this stuff built and ready to go at least within the next 2 hours, and then have it ready in time to stream tonight. And then I'll probably do, obviously I'll be streaming tomorrow, but I just don't know what I'll be streaming. So, but yeah, this will be a pretty long video. So I think what I'll do is now, being that I have some downtime, I will clean up the rest of this place, do a quick vacuum, and get started on the build. And then you guys will see some stuff once Mango shows up. So see you guys in a minute. Oh my goodness, as I live and breathe. As I live and breathe, look.
Oh, hello!
Mango is here. We're gonna start actually building the PC. So right now we've actually got, I'm gonna set up the tripod here so you guys can see it. So this is the old PC here. I'm going to rip this apart with Mango. We're gonna take out pretty much all the older components and replace it with the new ones. The only two components that are currently in this machine now that we're keeping is the motherboard and the GTX 770, the power supply, and the hard drive. The power supply is going out, the RAM is going out, some new cables are going in. Gonna clean it up and it's gonna look absolutely amazing.
Arrow, so it looked exactly like the backspace key. So I was like, oh cool, hold on, let me just backspace. Nope.
So trying to buy an app on your phone, on your camera rather, is using just a dial pad.
Yep.
Pretty much. And it's not even like a D-pad.
Well, it kind of is. You can, it's just kind of weird. So you can actually like move up, down, left, right. So.
Crazy.
Yeah. Powerful camera, man.
Powerful indeed. All right. So all these parts here. We already know what's in this box. I gotta start moving some of this crap out of the way.
Oh shit, I should have brought my screw bin. That was what I was thinking of.
I have a, like we can probably just use a bowl or a paper plate or something.
Yeah.
Keep it all together.
Okay.
That's the hard drive there.
Right. Okay. Pull that out. Oh, yes. Beautiful.
The inside. Oh, it's fucking... Oh. Oh my god. I'm gonna have to get the boner in the next hour. Oh. It's a fully removable door. Check this shit out here. Look at the inside. All of these hard drive bays are completely removable. I can just remove any one of those I want, and I can just take whatever I gotta take out of it and do all that stuff. All the rubber housings for cable management. Oh my god, dude, this thing is so nice. Oh my god. Totally worth it. Absolutely worth it. Matches the color of my car. Best part about all of it. Alright, so the teardown is pretty much complete.
Out with the
All the screws.
Alright, just throw them in and it'll work out just fine. Okay, so I need 6 of those.
Okay guys, so we just finished putting in the Corsair H100i cooling system and the motherboard. Got it all screwed in. So I'm going to show you guys here. Mango's actually
Working on stuff.
working on some stuff. We're just making sure we have the right connections in. We just got the USB, Firewire, and HD audio connections in. So we're just working on getting those in, and then next thing we're going to do is move to the, let's see, we got to do the graphics card, bridge them together for SLI, and we have to do the AverMedia capture card as well. And then once we're done doing that, we'll be good to go. The solid state drive and the hybrid drive are already installed. I already mounted them in there. This was the original bracket that was that actually held the 2.5-inch drive in the old tower. And what's nice about this one in particular is, let's take this out here for a sec. So this is the hybrid drive. So the brackets themselves are pretty much ready to hold any drive you put in there, which is cool. You just have to remove these little pins, which is pretty neat. So that's in there, and then in bay 2, we've got the solid state drive. So far, so good. So we had to actually take a break. We had to go over to CVS and get some alcohol wipes to clean the processor board. It was covered in thermal paste. And what's cool about the liquid cooling system is that it actually already comes has thermal paste on it already, so it's like pre-configured. So there's really nothing that you need to do. We just wanted to make sure it was clean. We were gonna use water or nail polish remover, and then we kind of looked at each other and like, that's ridiculous. So we went over to CVS, got some alcohol swabs, and we got some Soda Shack. So I think we did okay, right? We went into CVS and we were like, yeah, let's get
some Shack
let's
soda.
get some Shack soda. It was on sale. It's 50 cents, dude. I mean, hey, you can't go wrong. So, all right, cool. So we'll get all these connections in. This thing is looking absolutely gorgeous right now on my kitchen counter. Okay, guys. So just got the second graphics card installed. The problem we ran into was, so the first thing we didn't have was alcohol wipes. Then, after I opened up the second 770, it did not come with a SLI bridge, which sucks. So this is pretty much what we're looking at right here. You've got both of the 770s installed. Looks pretty amazing. We need to get the SLI bridge that'll connect here and here. It's like a $10 piece, so we're gonna go over. Me and Mango, we're gonna go over to Fry's, and we're gonna go pick one up. And then the last part of the build is gonna be the power supply. Get it all connected. We'll connect the hard drives.
Yep.
I think I'll have to probably format the SSD because that one's probably not formatted. We got to get Windows 7 installed on the SSD, and then once I get that installed, I can start moving everything over from the solid state hybrid drive to the SSD, and then reconfigure everything, and then hopefully I'll be able to stream with this tonight and actually put it to work. And I got a free copy of Assassin's Creed Black Flag. I kind of want to use it so I can really stress out the machine and put some tests through it, and I actually might just give it away. I don't know. Kind of want to give it away. So I don't know.
It is a pretty game.
It is
a very pretty game.
Yeah, so I'll have to figure out what we're going to do. But for the most part, this machine is practically put together. I'm going to clean up this mess in my kitchen, and we'll have it, hopefully in the next, once we go get the we're gonna lose about a half an hour just going to pick up the SLI bridge, and then we'll have this thing together in no time. It was for the most part pretty simple, you know, dropping screws here and there. that was probably the biggest problem we ran into, is that we just kept dropping screws.
Yeah, we dropped a screw in the sink.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then,
that's what happens when you build a PC in your kitchen. All right, guys. So we're gonna go pick up the SLI bridge, and we'll be back. All right, guys. So we finally finished. The PC build is now complete. We just put the did the final touches on the cables, and this is what it looks like. Sleek all the way around. Black accents, just absolute gorgeous. Just look at that. You get a clear view on the inside. So sweet. But hope you guys enjoyed some behind the scenes shenanigans today. I'm going to start working on editing the actual build of the computer now. And it's like 9:30, so it's kind of late. I'm going to do what I can to stream tonight. It's going to be a short one if I do stream, because I still have to get some software installed. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to tonight, but I'll try my hardest. But yeah, thank you guys, everybody. I couldn't have had this beast of a machine without you guys. I really can't thank you guys enough. It's just incredible. Super excited to use this thing though. The green and blue and red and all the gorgeous colors on the inside. I just can't imagine what kind of fun stuff we're gonna do with this. So thank you guys again. I really appreciate it, and I know Mango, he appreciates it as well. So thank you guys. Really, thank you so much. See you soon.